In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notifications in Slack. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical, so you can tailor alerts to your work style without missing what matters. First, open Slack on your desktop or in a browser. Look to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu with options about your account and app behavior. From here, select Preferences. Preferences is where Slack stores most of your personal settings. Inside Preferences, go to the Notifications tab. This is your control center for alerts. At the top, you'll see the main choice for what Slack should notify you about. If you want everything, you can choose all new messages, but that's often noisy. A balanced option is to get alerts for direct messages, mentions, and keywords, which keeps you informed when someone needs you or when a topic you care about comes up. If you follow message threads, look for the setting about thread replies, so you're notified only when you're mentioned or when a thread you're following is updated. Next, decide where Slack notifies you. In this tab, you can fine-tune desktop, mobile, and even email notifications. For mobile, choose when Slack should push notifications to your phone, immediately when you're inactive on desktop, or after a short delay. This helps you avoid duplicate pings when you're already at your computer. If you like a safety net, enable email notifications for missed activity so you get a summary when you've been away for a while. Set your notification schedule to protect your focus and downtime. You can pause notifications during evenings or weekends, or create custom hours that match your workday. If you need quiet time in the moment, look for options to mute sounds or enable Do Not Disturb, so messages arrive silently until you're ready. Under Sound and Appearance, choose the alert sound, show or hide message previews, and decide whether the app's badge counts everything unread or only items that will notify you. These small tweaks can reduce visual clutter and help you prioritize. Finally, add keywords for topics you never want to miss. When someone uses those words, Slack will send a notification, even if you aren't mentioned directly. Slack saves these preferences automatically, so you can close the window when you're done. And there you go. That's all. You've customized Slack notifications to be as calm or as responsive as you need. Revisit these settings anytime as your workflow changes, and test with a quick message to confirm everything feels right.